In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down with multiple selections here in Google Sheets. So you already know how to create a drop-down and even create a drop-down from an existing data. Now, what if you want to select more than one option from your drop-down list? Here's how to do it. So if you already have your drop-down right here, so if I click on this one, here are the options that I have that I can select from. And again, so if this is just an ordinary drop-down, if I select this, it will automatically close. It won't allow me to select anything else with my first option. If I select that, it will just go to that option and nothing else. Same with this one. There we go. Select the other one with that one. Not possible. But if we go to our edit button right here at the bottom corner, there we have it. We have our data validation rules on the right, which is for our column right here. Now this range is pertaining to this column right here. So any changes that I create right here will be applied to all the drop-downs in this column right here. So we have our options. We have the camera bag, the tripod set, our camera lens, and our memory card. Now to make this more vibrant, I'm just going to select some colors for each of the products right here, just to make them stand out more. There you have it. If I click on done, there you go. So we have the camera bag, the tripod set, and our memory card. So if we go back to that edit button right there, at the bottom, you'll actually see allow multiple selections. If we tick on that checkbox and click on done, that change has already been applied to the entire column. So now if we try and select something from here, we already have camera bag selected. If I click on this one, there you have it. It will automatically be added to that drop-down right there. If I click on the other one, there we go. So that feature allows you to select multiple options from one drop-down list. Here we have it. Again, let's try that on this one. And there we go. So it also goes in the order on which one you selected first. There you have it. If I untick that, it disappears. If I add this one, and there you have it. If I select it from here, it is the same. So again, this is already applied to the entire column of this table. So it doesn't matter how many options you have there. If you are going to select multiple ones, it will be shown in your dropdown. Now you just have to make sure that you have enough space on that column to show all the options that you've selected on each of your dropdowns. And there you have it. Now, if you're starting from scratch, again, that option will still be applicable. So if I try and let's say add a dropdown right here, go to insert and select dropdown. Again, we have our data validation on the right. So if I add an option, let's say option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. Let me remove the last one. So this is a newly created dropdown, and again, that option will always be available for you to select if in case that you have plenty of options that you can select at the same time. Click on done. If I click on that one, our option will not be closed right away compared to a regular drop-down list. And there you have it. So I can have multiple selections in just one drop-down. And there you have it. That's how to create a drop-down with multiple selections here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.